I'm Manivannan. I'm from Chennai. I have been working as an electronics and integration engineer in UCAL Technologies for the past 2 years. I have been working in R&D projects, and I get to know about the Drone Academy in Telangana state through my colleagues, and they are more satisfied with the Drone Academy trainings, and they have been recommended me to get trained in Telangana Academy. They are good in teaching and all. So I know a little bit about drone integration and less knowledge about the drone rules 2021. After reaching here, they have been conducted a 5-day session. From beginning day itself, they have taught each and every corners of drone UAV rules, and they have been taught what are the rules and regulation has to be followed as a drone pilot. As a drone piloting professional, what they have to be follow, everything they have been taught, and they have taught about pilot drone kinematics and all. So those things are really good to learn. So with that knowledge, people can understand how the drones are functioning in case of emergency, how to handle those drones. Everything we have learned through Drone Academy Telangana, and after I'm getting certified right now. Right now I have been certified by Telangana State Aviation as a drone pilot. Now I can utilize this drone as a professional and professional way what they have teach. So in that manner I can achieve higher levels in my career. I can become a test pilot for the drones in future with this knowledge and what they have provided. And thanks.